You'll see the amount of suitcases I have. That's like all good. Y'all, we made it to our flight. This is Beyonce. Say hey, Beyonce.
My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remain could have been all over. My feelings still they swing like Django Lover. Feelings still they swing like Timbani Kachuru Achuru. I'm a white dog in Felisuru. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani Kachuru Achuru. I'm a white dog. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life, my eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need the bow and shadow. I need the bow and shadow. I need the bow and shadow. I need the bow and shadow.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, The Real Chi, and I'm back with a very special vlog. You guys, I'm so excited for this vlog because it's my first time actually being able to vlog my experience in Nigeria. Tonight, we are going to just explore a little bit of Lagos before it gets too dark. And then tomorrow is more a pamper day, so I'm gonna get my lashes done, my nails, feet done. So excited. So I just want to give y'all a quick little fit check. So, got a little Shein purse that has nothing in it. Also have this cute little top that I got from Shein, and then a skirt, and then some flowers. For today, we are planning to go get our lashes done first, and then we're gonna go and get our nails done a little bit later. I'm making myself a nice little cute cup of coffee. Yeah, look at this background. I need this for my channel. So I'm making myself a cute little cup of coffee, creamer, and in here we'll put some sugar. But I think for breakfast I might have some chicken. I wanted to fry some egg, but I don't see any pan here. Say hi to my uncle. We call him PDP.
Hello, good morning.
It's Uncle Share the Money. PDP.
This is not the place for all this. Is there a reason why you're saying all this? And can we talk about it later?
customer service was 10 out of 10. Jesus.
It's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East run. She drive the Nissan and she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was a loner. My old man the owner, and I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want, bro? I'm champagne forever, I'm dirty Sprite forever. You come sit with me, if you like to change the weather. If you want a little better, we can buy a grill wherever. Don't get too thirsty. To cheddar. I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see her before I do, tell I wish that I met. Turn on the lights, I'm looking forward to. I heard she keep her promises.
Hey y'all, didn't really show you guys the look. We were just rushing to get ready. We are headed to a lounge. Got my nails done. Absolutely love my lashes. Look so cute. And the fit looks fab. Show you guys a bit. So we are back from our night out. It was so fun just like chatting with each other. I couldn't bring my camera inside. These people wanted to fight me for my camera, but I'll show a little clip of my outfit in the next video. So I got this top from Shein and I got these leather pants from Shein as well. So paired it with these cute little black pumps. So tomorrow is when the true enjoyment begins and I'm too excited. So I'll show you guys that tomorrow, but for tonight we are clocking out. Bye. So it is, actually it's like 12 right now, but we are headed to do some sightseeing around Lagos, and then after that we'll kind of see how the day plays out. Not really sure what we're doing at all. Nothing really seems organized and everything's off schedule, but let's look cute though. So talk to y'all in a bit. I'm filming this just for you so you can give a tour to YouTube of your past school.
Right on. Once you step out, people look up to you.
Now polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back at it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see ya. See ya. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Hate to be a Rex, no know that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily you just.
We are headed to a beach club. Let's do a fit check. All right, Desi, you're first. Show them what you're wearing. Okay. So this dress is a cutout dress from Shein, purse from Pretty Little Thing, and bottom from my mama. Okay, so 2 pieces from Shein. Purse, Shein. Shoes, I think Shein as well. And gowns from yeah, the guys from. That's us. So we may or may not. I actually may not bring my camera because of yesterday's drama, but I will film on my phone camera, so I'll get some footage. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way, just got in town. Then I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, you're too unusual, raining thunder. Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder.
Good morning, y'all. It is our final day of Lagos. Y'all say bye. Bye. And we will meet you guys in the villa.
I promise I'm better with the summer. Leave my house, I'm sorry for yesterday. With your skin on my